Hello folks, Ashkat Gupta here, and today I am coming with ChatGPT powered app VoiceGPT AI. But first, if you are a YouTuber, video, or any agency owner, ad specialist, or a small and medium business owner, you know that real human voiceovers, unique content, ads, and videos are the lifeblood of any online or offline business. But this can quickly turn into a headache for you. You know why? Because using old, boring, robotic voiceovers can harm your business literally. Using copyrighted or others' contents, videos, and ads will get your videos penalized. It's really tough to find good voiceover artists, copyright-free content, visual assets, and videos. Creating original voiceovers, high-quality content, 3D characters, and videos requires a lot of skills and talent. Creative subscription services cost hundreds of dollars every month. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork demand a hefty amount for a single voiceover or even video. I've even spent thousands of dollars every month for a good, high-quality voiceover, unique content. The list goes on and on. Now, I'm pretty sure you're facing at least one of these problems, but after working for a year straight, I've created a solution, and it has changed the game for every voiceover, content, and video creator out there. Incredibly great deal. Soon it'll be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.
Hello there, this is Mike. I am very excited to bring to you yet another software for VoiceGPT AI, and this one actually is another amazing one from Ashkat Gupta, and this one is going live on the 11th of April 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And in a nutshell, it's an application that is going to help you generate content with a keyword of your choice and also turn text into speech. That means you can use this very apparatus to actually create wonderful videos using human-like voices that are AI generated. That means you write a script of your choice, of your marketing whatever, and then put it out there. It's going to actually turn it into speech with a woman's voice or a man's voice, which you can actually use to do your marketing videos and also sell these services to others. It's an amazing one, and it's going live on the 11th of April 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time by my friend Ashkat Gupta. This is an amazing one that will make it easy for you to actually get services from people which you can turn to speech and do marketing videos with any of these regular softwares, video editing softwares. It's a very good one. I've actually used it and it works very fine, which we are going to see. So now, if you stick with me on this review, I will actually show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. At any point you decide to get this wonderful VoiceGPT AI, definitely you'll find a link. The first link in my description will bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine where you grab a copy using this link or any of the other orange links scattered all over this page. If you stick with me also, I'm going to show you the dashboard area, and you see the wonders that you have with this one, and of course show you the sales page, which is exactly this, and you'll be able to have access to all the information you need to get this one going for you. So if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. My name is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, and I do these reviews every other day to help others who are looking to make money online see the best options they have out there, as long as training courses and softwares are concerned for different tasks and capabilities online. So bear with me. Now let us go into more details with this very review, and as it is now, let us take a look at exactly what this product is about. What my friend Ashkat Gupta said is going to do for you. He said it's the world's first ChatGPT for an open-air powered cloud-based app that generates unique high-quality content and converts it to real human emotion-based voices and even audio books. That's the beautiful thing about this, which means you can write a little book of your choice and use this very software to actually turn that script, that text, into speech, which you can launch on your YouTube channel or any of the other outlets out there, social media outlets there, and definitely this will attract traffic and audience to you, and eventually it will convert to help you make sales and make money online. That's why I like this one. And some of the benefits are as follows: 100% ChatGPT-4 powered AI, and it's cloud-based. And of course, you have this very one to help you power yourself towards creating audiobooks. And it has this audiobooks creator feature, and it has 300 plus real voices to choose from, 100 plus languages to choose from, and Inbuilt done for you 1 million articles with full PLL license, and you have the ability to create unlimited VSL, sales copies, emails, ad copies, and of course every other thing that is required out there. And you switch to your old boring robotic voices into a real human-like emotion-based voices. This is good. You pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions, and it has inbuilt social sharing feature to get limitless traffic, like I was trying to explain, and it has a license, commercial license included. No limitations, it's completely free. You don't need any special skills, just copy and paste, and no major experience is required. And you have the ability to make $200 refund if it doesn't work for you. This is the best guarantee you can have as long as affiliate marketing or product creation and sales are concerned. So it is an amazing one. At any point you click any of those links on my bonus page, like this one or this one, it will take you to the sales page where you pick up a copy of this using this button. It's an application that everybody must need, because I'm gonna get it. Of course I will be able to use it. I have the ones I use, but I've tried this and it works perfectly well, as you're going to see in the course of this review. Okay, now let us go down and see how many steps you have to set this up. Once you pick up this product using that link in my description, the first link, it will be able to enable you to log into the very dashboard area, which is going to look like this to you. And then what you do is to actually go to the second step, which is just enter any keyword or upload your old voice and text file, and of course it is going to AI generate another human-like voice for you, which has emotion based as it is. And step 3, GTP4 technology will generate unique high quality content and emotion based real voice overs, and also convert them to classic audiobooks if you desire, and that will definitely generate income for you, because it's going to attract the audience that requires to get a professional with that. Now look at what you have here. Thousands of people who are tired of using the same expensive boring robotic voice and copyrighted content shifted to VoiceGPT AI for unbelievable results. And now you have professional and fully cloud-based, and you have all this as the benefits that we have read, but here they are diagrammed in order to show you what capabilities you have with this VoiceGPT-4 AI. Okay, now these are some of the testimonials you will see at your convenience. We are not going to waste time with this sales page, because definitely you will be able to have access to them. And now take a look at the level of expenses you make trying to get people to do these jobs for you as freelancers on Fiverr or any of the other marketplaces. And you see the amount of money: 298 here, 298, you have 245, 499, and these are all starting price. And you have 684 and 537. That's a lot of money you spend trying to create what you can do with this very equipment, and that will definitely help you make money online. One-time payment, and you have it and make your profits forever. So I will leave that decision to you, and then I will also leave the link to the demo video of this software in action in the description, so that you'll be able to watch that video and see how it works and see exactly how it's going to help you, because it's all about how it's going to help you. Now let us take a look at the very bonus page of mine, so that you see exactly what I have there for you. I have a lot of things, 2 pages of bonuses that you're going to see, and then we go to the very members area. But I think we should look at the pricing now before we go to the members area. Or first, let us go to the members area and see exactly what you have here. This is the dashboard, and I was able earlier to create something. This is the how you generate content. If you click this link, it's going to open you up. All you need to do is to add fitness tries, was what I tried before, and then you will be able to actually say how to stay fit. Okay, and then you want it friendly, you can make your choice on any of relaxed, luxury, let's say professional this time around, and then you click generate. It's going to generate something very, very wonderful because it works like ChatGPT 4. Now look at what it says as answer: how to start fitness. Are you looking to start your fitness journey? Look no further than Fitness Strides. Our team of certified professionals is here to help you reach your goals with a combination of personalized coaching, nutritional advice, and individualized program. We will help you reach your fitness goals faster and easier than ever. And this goes on and on. So you have that to generate any kind of content, and you can actually say how many words you need for that to have. You can say 1,000 words or less than that, depending on your goal, and that will definitely help you. And these are the list of the very things that has been created. This is the one I created first. I created this one first in my trial, and this is the second one now. And here are all the other review access members are going to do this at the same time. So you have also now AI text to speech, which is going to give you the opportunity to actually generate voice for yourself. Notice you click this link and it's going to open you up to the magic itself. Hold on a sec so that you see how it works. I was able to actually do one before and it worked pretty well. So now all you need to do is to choose language. If I choose language here, I will choose English US, for example. Where do you have English US? Okay, English US, for example, and then you enter where do we in the world of actions. Okay, so now let us see if we can choose this very Matthew. Let's choose Matthew, for example. You click generate. It's going to do the magic, and then we will be able to actually hear the voice and see if that is going to help us get this done. Okay, now it looks like it has some issues, which I don't know what the problem is, but I know I did this before. If you click generate once more, it's supposed to show something, but let us not waste time on this. But I know it works now. So what do we do? If we go to the list, let us see exactly the one I did before. Okay, it's actually here. Now when you go here, this is what we did. You download with this button. It's going to open you up to the very magic itself, so that you see why it's very good to get this one. If you click this, it's going to actually show you. You listen to the very thing that was said now by writing, and it's going to actually and then if you click this button, you'll be able to download it by clicking this very button here. Once you download, it's going to be in your computer system, which you are going to make use of. Okay, so it's a very one. And here you have the option for audiobook. You can generate audiobook by entering your text as you desire. Enter the text you want here, and then it's going to convert it into audiobook, which you can upload on YouTube or any of the other handles out there. And here you have the list of all the ones you have, and how this button gives you access to the done for you articles, which you are going to download and create audiobooks with, because they have PLL license materials, over 1 million of them in this very software. So it's a good one. I will leave the link to the video demonstration of this one in action in the description, so that you see exactly how it works. Now let us see the pricing for this one. The front end should be $17, and you have all these amenities. I mean, you can imagine you can go on and on, professional and fully cloud-based, 100% 100 plus million voice to choose from. I mean, it goes on and on. The benefits you have with just this front end of this very dashboard. Now you have the OTO number 1, the unlimited version goes for $37, and here you have everything unlimited. unlimited rendering, unlimited downloads, remove all restrictions and go unlimited, and no watermarks. And you have also the OTO number 2, the reseller, goes for $67, 100% commission bump and unlimited license. You have also OTO number 3, $37, and here you have mega professional benefits with this one, okay? And you have OTO number 4, which is $37. It's called the Platinum. You have all these loads of benefits there. And you have also OTO number 5, which is $97. AI stock gives you searchable membership, 2 million plus high definition stock images, and 1 million plus ultra high definition stock videos, 20,000 plus vectors, 8,000 plus high quality royal free audios, and you have premium features, multiple formats, high quality downloads, unlimited downloads, and new social sharing feature, and inbuilt image editor, and of course you have commercial license. OTO number 6 will be AI audio. It goes for $97, fully cloud-based system, and unlimited one-click music generator and mixer, and download unlimited music tracks, and it goes on and on and on. And you have the OTO number 7, $197. With this, you can rebrand this product and put your logo and sell it on Plus or any of the marketplaces as if it's your own. And you know what that means? That means making a lot of money, okay? It's very impressive. At any point you decide to get this one, just click this link. It's going to take you to the sales page where you use this link to get a copy for yourself. And now let us see the mega and amazing bonuses that I have for you. My first bonus will be how to create free professional website which you can sell, as well as complement with VoiceGPT AI, which is this product we are reviewing. And you have my bonus number 2 as a product vault that has 17 amazing bonuses and training courses. And you have also the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 links that will give you different capabilities online. You have also how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice, and you have also 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot automation system, and that will definitely make you money. And now you have also, at any point you decide to get this link, if you click this button when you enter this page, you'll be able to get access to the sales page where you use this button. If you click that, it's going to take you to my Plus account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to VoiceGPT AI, and here you have this blue one giving you access to these amazing bonuses that I have for you. And also I have a second page of bonus that will come to you by email, which is mega exclusive bonuses for you for this very launch. And you have the first one, about 10 of them: the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, list building experts, you have internet marketing fast start, you have affiliate marketing secrets, very important, 30 days to build an email list ebook, you have chatbot marketing mastery, you have building the perfect sales funnel, and also blogging for profit, which is good, and email list building blueprints and copywriting crackdown. These are the amazing bonuses. This very page will be sent to you by email, and you have Google Doc that contains 10 amazing training courses and software that will help you make money online. And this is exactly where I believe we are going to call it a day on this VoiceGPT AI launch review, and I will come back to you in my next. If you are new to my channel, this is the time you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike. Mbadiwe coming to you as always from here, guys. It's goodbye.